Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the thermostat in your Jeep Grand Cherokee. A failing thermostat can lead to serious engine issues, so addressing it promptly is crucial. We will walk through each step, from gathering your tools to refilling the coolant, ensuring you can complete this repair confidently. This process is straightforward and can save you significant money. Before we begin, let's prepare. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, a ratchet, socket extensions, pliers, and a torque wrench. Safety glasses and gloves are also recommended. Make sure your engine has completely cooled down to avoid burns. Next, position a drain pan under your radiator and drain about 2 gallons of coolant to prevent spills during the repair. Now, let's get to the old thermostat. First, gently lift and remove the engine cover. Then, loosen the clamps on the air intake tube with your flathead screwdriver and remove the tube to gain better access. Next, use your pliers to slide back the hose clamp on the upper radiator hose, then carefully detach the hose. Finally, unbolt the two 10mm bolts holding the thermostat housing in place and remove the old assembly. With the old thermostat out, it's time for the new one. Position the new thermostat housing, making sure its gasket is correctly seated to prevent leaks. Reinstall the 2 bolts and torque them to about 10 Nm or 7.4 foot-pounds. Reattach the upper radiator hose and tighten its clamp. Finally, refill your cooling system with a 50/50 coolant mixture, then start the engine and bleed any trapped air from the system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.